First, access the automatic repair screen. Windows 10 will show it after crashing for 3 consecutive times. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. Select your account. Type in your password. If you don't have one, just press Continue. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select Command Prompt. Now type bootrec/fix mbr and then press Enter. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. Type BCD edit/export c/bidbackup and then press Enter. Type attrib/c/boot/bcd-h-r-s and then press Enter. Type ren/c/boot/bcd-bcd.old and then press Enter. Type bootrec/rebuild bcd and then press Enter. Type Y and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to restart. If that didn't work, open Advanced Options again. Press System Restore. Select your account. Select your keyboard layout. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Press Restart. Now your PC should be restored. Press close. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Press Reset this PC. Select if you want to keep your personal files. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Press Reset. Now wait for Windows to reset. Now your PC should be restored. If that didn't work, go back to Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Type C: and then press Enter. Type C:/Windows/System32/config and then press Enter. Type MD backup and then press Enter. Type copy, hit space **** backup and then press Enter. Type MD backup 1 and then press Enter. Type copy **** backup 1 and then press Enter. Type cd regback and then press Enter. Type dir and then press Enter. Type copy **** space ... and then press Enter. Type all and then press Enter. Type exit and then press enter. Press continue or turn off your PC to apply the changes. Now your problem should be fixed.